Oh no, the engines just went silent. This is when the rat comes out. Every modern airplane has a hidden emergency system called the ram air turbine, or RAT. It stays hidden until the worst-case scenario happens, total engine or power failure. When that happens, the rat automatically deploys beneath the plane. Air rushing past spins it like a windmill, generating emergency power. That power keeps the most important systems alive, including flight controls and basic instruments. This system has been used in real emergencies and has saved lives. You'll probably never see the RAT. But if everything else fails, it's the reason the plane can still land safely.